Good afternoon, traders. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. This is Thursday, July 16th, 2020, and it's about 4:20 in the afternoon East Coast time. So it's right after the market close. And I've got a few charts I would just like to share out there today. This shouldn't take very long at all. But a few stocks are really looking good coming up on one of my scans, my live trading alert scans here, and I'd like to share those with you. AMGN, here's AMGN popping up. I'm looking for 270, the 277, 270, or 270 up to 278, give or take a little bit up in that area here. We've got a nice trend that's working right now. Probably should have went right there. There we go. We've got a nice little trend that's working. 3 days ago, excuse me, 3 days ago, we gapped down and came back up. A little belt hold turned out to be engulfing the body of the previous day. Yesterday, a little bit of an inside day, small candle, and then today we have another little bullish engulf coming right off the T-line here, opening up about the T-line, coming a little bit lower, but then closing up higher. We've got a pretty nice looking J-hook or continuation pattern setting up. And what I'm looking at here is something like that right there. Let's see if it can't run up and get into that 270s, 271, and then maybe up to about 278 over here. Also, let's see, AZN. Yesterday, AZN gapped up, cleared some resistance over here. Let me put a line right in there. There we go. We cleared some resistance yesterday, closing above the 57 area. This morning, we pulled back a little bit, put in a low, but higher than the previous day's low. So right now, I'm looking at trading this over 56.10, somewhere in there. So a little bit of a pullback would be nice, a little inside day tomorrow, and then maybe we'll start moving up here. As far as a upward target goes, let's take a look at, about 59. So a couple bucks maybe for a little swing to the upside. J&J had earnings today. And so let's just draw a line right here. So we're over the earnings issue. That's good. And you can see that we've broken out of that downtrend line. We've pulled back a little bit today. We pulled into the 3/8 trap and then closed back out of it to the upside. 160 is about the target that I'm looking for on J&J. So we'll be watching that one for a possible entry. Another one that came up was PFE. Now, let's see here. PFE has, there we go. Let's put in that downtrend. We can even pull it to here. And then you can see we're starting a nice little trend up. And then we've got that bullish pattern where we pop up and now we're consolidating. I think a better buy might be over here somewhere, but it certainly is one I want on my watch list. And it alerted today pretty well here for the watch list, not necessarily a buy. Another one that looks really good is NVX. NVX, let's draw some lines on that. Look how this thing pulled back. That could have been bought right in this area. We rallied up, may or may not have stayed in it, but this pullback right here, this would have definitely given an entry point, gapped up. And if that, if you weren't here, which I'm not in this one right now, it gapped up. This is another little entry point on it, and here we've broken out. So what I'm looking for now is a little inside day. And that may be a buy right in that area, just above that 109. With a target of 146, that puts this thing about 24, 25% move on NVAX. So Anyway, there's a couple of charts I wanted to share with you. I thought they were pretty nice, popping up on the scanner here today and later this afternoon. If you have any questions, just let me know. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I hope you do. And leave me a note down there. Ask me some questions about any of those charts, and I'll see what I can do to help out. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.